We are pleased to share the operational, financial and infrastructure result of Adani Total Gas for the quarter 3 of FY25. Our CNG station network has increased to 605 stations. We added 15 stations in the 9 months period FY25 and 28 CNG stations in quarter 3 beginning October to December 25. Out of these 605 CNG stations, we have now 116 CNG stations on company-owned dealer-operated, CODO and dealer-owned, dealer-operated DODO format. Our steel pipeline network, which is the backbone for a CGD company, has now increased to 13082 inch kilometer, 13,082 inch kilometer, which signifies wider network to provide access to the large masses of consumer across our geographical areas. ATGL is now serving to over 9.22 lakh domestic home with the supply of piped natural gas. We have added 1,01,310 new PNG homes in 9-month period and 28,677 new PNG home in quarter 3 FY25. Similarly, for industrial and commercial consumers, we have now reached to 8,913 consumers, nearing 9,000 consumers. We added 582 new industrial and commercial consumers in 9 months period and 167 new industrial commercial consumers in quarter 3 FY25. Our volume has increased by 15% on year-on-year basis and 6% on quarter-on-quarter basis. Let me give you an update on our other businesses. On the e-mobility business, 1914 EV charging points have now been commissioned across 22 states, 4 union territories and 226 cities. Our aim is to reach around 3,000 charge points very soon in the future. Presence of our EV charge points have now increased to 20 airports in India. On the biomass business side, our subsidiary ATGL has commenced the production and sale of compressed biogas CBG from Barsana in Mathura in state of UP and hope to enhance the same along with sale of a fermented organic manure FOM and phosphate-rich organic manure PROM soon in the future. Company had already commenced the first LNG station for long-haul trucks and buses in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. Many more LNG stations are at the progress of various stages as on 31st December 2024. Now let me share with you the operational and financial numbers achieved by the company during this quarter. First, let me brief everyone about the recent development with respect to APM gas allocation. The allocation of APM gas to ATGL was reduced from 63% to 51% from 16th October 2024, and then it was further reduced from 51% to 37% on 16th November 2024. APM allocation for CNG segment on a quarter basis effective 1st October to 31st December has been at the rate of 47%. And the shortfall which has arisen, we had met from our existing contract, allocation which was made by the government under New Well Gas program, and we have also purchased some spot gas from Indian Gas Exchange and to ensure that we supply CNG to our end consumer on an uninterrupted basis. The key to us is to calibrate the end prices, balancing the affordability of end consumers and other stakeholders, including profitability of the company. So despite these challenges on APM gas allocation reduction, ATGL maintained its growth trajectory, focusing on customer-centric approach and delivered a robust operational performance with a notable 15% year-on-year increase in the volume, out of which CNG volume increased by 19% to 171 MMSCM and pipe natural gas PNG volume increased by 8% to 86 MMSCM during the quarter. On the financial front for the third quarter FY25, as compared to the previous quarter year-on-year basis, our revenue from operation rose by 12% to INR 1397 crores. As you are aware, we have been putting in place our focus on operational excellence and digitalization. That has played its role during this quarter when we were facing the challenges on profitability. Despite the reduction in APM allocation and increase in the gas price, our EBITDA for the quarter was 272 crores. The profit before tax and profit after tax was 193 crore and 143 crore respectively. Recently, with effect from 16th January 2025, APM allocation for CNG segment has been increased back from 37% to 51%. This certainly would have positive impact for the quarter beginning January 1st to 31st March 25. We are closely assessing the situation regarding the availability of APM gas to the CGD sector going forward.